As experts in manufacturing technology, we at EROWA know exactly what is important in mill turn applications and 5-axis machining. With the zero-point clamping system MTS 3.0, we have a product in our portfolio that already takes future safety standards into account. Machining centers are becoming more and more powerful, setting ever higher demands on clamping systems. For this reason, we rely on MTS 3.0 with its unique and outstanding monitoring function. Before machining starts, the presence of the clamping spigots as well as the secure locking are checked. Only then is the workpiece released for machining. Machines with an open clamping system cannot be started. Missing clamping spigots are detected immediately. The self-locking and spring-loaded systems are safe, even if the pneumatic pressure drops. As a result, MTS 3.0 decisively increases workplace safety. Only 4 air tubes are required to control and monitor the clamping system. MTS 3.0 is predestined for automated operation, and with 80 kN clamping force offers maximum performance and efficiency. Get ready for the future with MTS 3.0 from EROWA, the fully comprehensive safety solution for your staff, machine, and production job.